Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and OS updates so the translation engine runs smoothly. Next, pair your AirPods to the device. Make sure the phone shows them as connected. Once paired, grant microphone and notification permissions in the translation app because the app needs live audio access. Now choose source and target languages and pick single-ear or dual-ear mode. This ensures audio routing matches your use. Finally, place AirPods in your ears and tap the app's Translate button to begin the live session. Once the session starts, control audio routing. Dual ear delivers both voices to each listener. Single ear sends translation to one ear so you hear surroundings. Make sure the speaker speaks toward the AirPod microphone. Mouth-to-mic distance affects accuracy, so move within 0.51 meter if possible and avoid noisy areas. Monitor app latency and transcription cues if translations lag. Reduce simultaneous audio sources and lower device volume slightly. Also enable noise suppression or high-quality mode in settings. To finish, end the translation session in the app and disconnect AirPods to conserve battery. If you'll use them again, keep them paired. If audio suddenly mutes or translations stop, first check AirPods battery and confirm the app still has microphone permission. If problems persist, restart the app or toggle Bluetooth off and on to repair the AirPods. This resolves most desync issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if translations freeze frequently, clear the app cache or reinstall to reset real-time processing settings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.